Okay, some people are having problems with an air leak on their humidifier, and it sounds kind of like this. You can hear the air leak coming from here. So if you're having that problem with that air leak, first off, make sure your humidifier is in all the way. There should be no gap. If it's still making that sound and you have this all the way in, here's a quick fix. You just take your humidifier out. Inside here, you'll see the gray piece there. And if you push on the little tab right there, push on that tab, you'll hear that click, and then you can remove this. So this is the piece that we just removed. All we're going to do is reinstall it. We want to make sure that there's no problems with this portion of the gasket. And most likely there is none. It's just not seated in there properly. So we're going to put that back in so you can see how we've put it in there. And I'm just going to push and make sure it snaps. Okay, now that it snaps, we'll put everything back together. And now when we turn it on, it should be nice and quiet. And you notice there's no sound. The machine is on, we can see that. Okay? So that's the quick fix. Hope this helps.